we are going to learn about grade 8 mathematics lesson area. What is area? Area is the space occupied by a closed plane figure. It can be further defined as the extent of a surface is called as area. Can you see a land here? What is the area of this land? The green color surface is the area of this land. I think now you have an idea about the area. Units of area. What are the units of area? Square centimeters, square meters, square kilometers, hectares and acres. Hectares and acres are used to measure big amount like lands, area of a square shaped lamina. This is a square. Opposite sides are parallel and equal to each other. To find the area of the square, you can use this formula. The formula is area of a square equal a square. A means the length of each side. Let's do some examples with me. Can you see a square here? The length is 8 centimeters. Let's find out the area. 8 into 8. 8 centimeters into 8 centimeters. What is the area? Area equals 64. The unit is squared centimeters. This is the answer. Let's see another example. The length is 5 centimeters, width also 5 centimeters. Then the area equals 5 centimeters into 5 centimeters. 5 into 5 how much? Yes, 25. The unit is squared centimeters. Now you have an idea about finding the area of a square. Okay. Now we are going to find the area of rectangular shaped lamina. This is a rectangle. Opposite sides are equal and parallel to each other. This is the breadth and this is the length. To find the area, you can use this formula. The formula is area of a rectangle equals length into breadth. Length into breadth. The magnitude of length and then the magnitude of breadth have to multiply together. Okay, let's find out the area of this rectangle. What is the area? What is the length? Length is 5 centimeters. We use A equal 5 centimeters into breadth equals 3 centimeters. 5 into 3, how much? 15 square centimeters. That is the answer. Let's do another one with me. 8 centimeters and 4 centimeters. Can you see this rectangle? The length is 8 and the breadth is 4. Area equal length into breadth. Length how much? 8 centimeters. Breadth is 4 centimeters. 8 into 4, 32 square centimeters. Now you have an idea about finding the area of a rectangle. Now we are going to find the area of a triangle. What is a triangle? Triangle is a closed figure which has 3 sides. This is the base of the triangle and this is the height of the triangle. To find the area of a triangle, you can use this equation. Area of a triangle equal half into length of the base, that means magnitude of this side, into height, magnitude of this side. Half into length of the base into height. Okay, let's do some examples. Can you see this triangle? The base is 6 centimeters and the height is 4 centimeters. Let's find out the area. First we have to write the formula. Now you can substitute the values. Half into length of the base, how much? 6 centimeters. Into height, how much? 4 centimeters. You can cut these two by 2 times. Then answer is 3 into 4, 12 square centimeters. The area of this triangle is 12 square centimeters. Let's see another one. 3 centimeters and 4 centimeters. In this triangle, what is the height? This side is the height and this side is the base. So, area equal half into length of the base into height. Half into length of the base 4 into height 3. You can cut by 2 times. 2 times 1, 2 times 2. Now 2 times 3 is 6 square centimeters. The area equals 6 square centimeters. The area of composite plane figures. What are the composite plane figures? Can you see some figures there? All the figures has made up of composite basic plane figures like square, rectangle and circle and triangles. Can you see this cross? This cross contains 2 rectangles. This arrow contains 1 rectangle and 1 triangle. This shape contains 1 rectangle and 1 triangle. And this shape contains, you can see, 2 equal triangles. The shapes like this we call the composite plane figures. Now we are going to find the area of such composite plane figure. Can you see this L shape? And this shape is made up of 2 rectangles, the top one and the bottom one. Okay, now we are going to find the area. We can name the top rectangle as A and the bottom one as B. A rectangle and B. Okay, first we have to find the area of rectangle A. How much? Length into breadth. How much is the length? 4 and the breadth is 3. 4 into 3, 12 square centimeters. Area of the rectangle A is 12 square centimeters. Now we are going to find the area of rectangle B. How much is the length? 4 centimeters into breadth is 2 centimeters. 4 into 2 how much? 8 square centimeters. Now here we have found areas separately. Now we have to add those areas together. How? 12 square centimeters plus 8 square centimeters. So, the area of the total figure equals 20. 12 plus 8 how much? 20. 20 square centimeters. Understood? Okay. Now we are going to find the area of a cube. What is a cube? Have you ever seen a cube, a dice or ice cube? This is a cube and it has 6 equal squares. 6 squares. To find the area of a cube, we can use this formula. The formula is area of a cube equal 6a square. 6a square. Forget about this 6a square mean the area of a square. So, we have to multiply the area of a square by 6 because this shape contains 6 squares. Now we are going to find the area of a cube. Area of a cube equals 6a square. What is the length of each side? 5 centimeters. So, we can write 6a square. How much? 5 into 5. A mean 5. 5 into 5. How much? 25. 25 multiplied by 6. How much? 150 square centimeters. Again let's see. 6a squared. 6 times a squared mean 5 times 5. 6 into 25, 150 square centimeters. Understood? Okay. Okay. Now we are going to find the surface area of a cuboid. What is a cuboid? Your pencil box, your lunch box are the examples for the cuboid. This is a cuboid and it contains 6 rectangles. To find the area of a cuboid, you can use this equation, this formula. Area of a cuboid equals 2 into AB plus BH plus AH. Okay, forget about this 2. AB. What is the AB rectangle? AB. This rectangle. And BH rectangle. This rectangle. And AH rectangle, the front rectangle. So, since there are 6 rectangles, you have to multiply the answer by 2. This is the formula. Okay, now we are going to find the area of this cuboid. What is the formula? 2 into AB plus BH plus AH. Let's find out. 2 into AB. AB means this top rectangle. How much? 3 into 8 plus BH. This rectangle. How much? 3 into 5. And AH, the front rectangle, how much? 8 into 5. 3 into 8, this rectangle, 3 into 5, this one, and 8 into 5, the front rectangle. Okay, let's see what is the area. 3 into 8, 24. 3 into 5, 15. 8 into 5, 40. When you add these values together, you will get 79 as the answer. Now you have to multiply this answer by 2. How much? The answer is 158 square centimeters. 158 square centimeters. I want everybody to do this calculation in your paper. Okay children, I hope you all understood this lesson. Stay safe, stay home. God bless you.